He had keys heavier than men could carry. His treasure amazed the world, but his arrogance buried him alive. This is the story of Qarun, Korah, the man destroyed by his wealth. Qarun was from the people of Musa, AS, but he became proud and sided with Pharaoh. Allah had given him immense wealth, so much that even the keys to his treasure chests were too heavy to lift. Instead of thanking Allah, Qarun said, "This has been given to me only because of knowledge I possess." Surah Al-Qasas 28:78. He forgot. Wealth is a test, not a victory. The people said, "Oh, if only we had what Qarun has. He is truly fortunate." But the wise warned, "The reward of Allah is better for those who believe and do good." Then came the punishment. Allah caused the earth to swallow Qarun along with his palace and treasures. Everything disappeared. The man who once walked with pride was buried by the very earth he walked on. Those who had admired him said, "Had Allah not been kind to us, He could have caused the earth to swallow us too." They finally realized real success isn't in wealth, but in gratitude and humility. Qarun's story lives on as a warning to all who chase wealth and forget Allah. The ground still holds his palace, but his name holds no honor. Humble hearts rise, arrogant ones are buried.